All right, I'm going to go over quickly what you're supposed to do for assignment number 2, 324 in week 2. If you scroll down, you'll see for 324, there's some code here. And after that, I give instructions. So first, you're going to update your code with the missing code from here. For me, I'm just going to copy and paste everything because I want you to be able to see what you need to do. All right, now that this code is in, let's take a look at these next steps. Line 7, add a comment explaining what the while loop on my line 7 does. If I look at line 7, this while loop right here says while guess not equal, and that, yes, that exclamation point means not equal to number, and guess is not equal to exit. So this while loop is going to repeat everything that is inside of it as long as the person does not guess the proper number and they do not type in the word or the text exit. Next thing, assign a variable named guess the value of user input as the user guess the number. I'm actually going to type that one in right here. So what that will look like is, since this isn't the while loop, I have to indent. This is equal input. Moving on, number 9, add a comment explaining what the conditional on line 12 and the break command on 13 does. This corresponds to this while loop right here. Remember, if the user types in guess equals exit, then we will break, meaning the while loop will stop. Add a comment explaining what the variable assignments on lines 16 and 17 do. So for lines 16 and 17, which are now different since I took this out right there. I'm guessing that's this right here. Yep. Guess is equal to int of guess, meaning I'm turning whatever I get in from my input into an integer, because remember, the input function automatically reads it as text, even if you input a number. Finally, on line 17, we are incrementing our count. So this is to keep track of how many times a person has made a guess.